Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today we are talking about the special topic YouTube. As you might know, it is possible to earn money as a YouTuber in many different ways. The problem that many YouTubers have is that they don't know exactly how to do that. Many of them monetize their YouTube content just in one way, with the YouTube Partner program. Smaller channels can't even monetize their content at all, because their numbers of subscribers or watch time isn't high enough to unlock this feature. And then there are people who consider affiliate marketing, which means include Amazon links in their video description in hope that someone will use it eventually and buy something on Amazon. YouTubers also might open online shops and sell merchandise or similar things. I'm sure that if you watch some of the videos covering those topics, you will notice that they tend to say the same things and repeat themselves. Those people will also say that the most profit lays in those 3 core points. What they won't tell you is that the shown methods won't work for smaller channels. That's the reason I want to show you a way to monetize your videos. One that is extremely profitable for a certain sort of YouTubers. We call this process traffic monetization from linkvertise. Quickly said, it's about YouTubers who mainly use links in their video descriptions. They, for example, present things, create tutorials, or give links leading to download websites. Numerous YouTubers link content in their description and thereby waste the possible potential of those links. Because that's exactly what you can monetize with linkvertise.net, and that's pretty neat. With this process, even smaller channels are able to generate revenue. In practice, it will work like this. Let's take for example a YouTuber provides an animated wallpaper for his or her fans. Therefore, the YouTuber will go on our website and afterwards modify the download link in linkvertise.net and put it into the description. The end watcher will spend some time on an advertisement website with ads before reaching the wanted website. So it's possible to make 10, 14 or even 18 euros for every 1000 clicks. In comparison to the common YouTube monetization method, which are less than 1 to 2 euros every 1000 clicks, that's a huge gap. The majority of content creators don't even use this technique. Especially in the field of download providers, linkvertise links are extremely profitable. A concrete example is shown here. This user provides wallpapers and people can download them. Seems simple, but the links he implemented are monetized with linkvertise. This user, for example, is making 4 digits of revenue with our service, and the trend is increasing in popularity. With linkvertise, it's a piece of cake to monetize your content and make a second income. Even people who are just starting with YouTube can see results quickly. So next time you see someone who wants to lecture you about making money with YouTube and repeats the same things everybody already knows, think about the other solution, which is profit with your content, even though almost no one knows about it. That's about it. Subscribe to this channel for more, but most importantly, visit our website linkvertise.net if you want to learn more about making money with links. That's it, see you next time.